she's lying down in the pillow, and we've just got the morning light. Should we shoot some dust across it?
This is by far my best work.
Take a photo and go. Oh, can you just dirty that bit?
Light? Yeah, so we just see her face, so that when the dust flies through the light, you'll really see it, and the smoke flows through the light. Now what we'll do, Fleur, is we'll just have a go, and I'll get you to hold your nose so we can see that it's not going to...
Yeah.
So just pretend the flying garbage bag is just one of the...
Many obstacles in the room of dust.
And when I did it, I got a little cup and I put it in front of the fan and it just went...
Okay. Cup or spoon then?
I think a spoon just to start with, and then we'll move up to the cup as we get comfortable.
Okay.
Okay.